Hello friends, today I am going to review one of famous ad network. Most of you maybe know this ad network already. Still I am making a review because there are many changes, revisions came with this ad networks. Their approval requirement is changed. Also there are changes from payment terms. Also they have introduced some new ad formats that may help you to make more money. So don't forget to subscribe channel. So here we start.
And in short video we will cover all the things. Okay, here are table of contents. If you want to access this page, go to description of this video and click on the link. You will get this page on your browser. Okay, let's start. Here is Propeller Ads review. Propeller's ads is fastest growing ad network, deals with on-click pop-unders, native banners, push notification ads, interstitial and direct link advertising. For direct link advertising also they have very high CPM rates. You can make good amount of money using direct links. Okay, I already made many posts on Propeller Ads review, but this year they have changed many things. There are revisions in payment terms, there are revisions in approval requirement. So I'm again making this post. Okay, in post I also listed some more ad networks. All are on-time paying ad networks like Adstara, Popcash, PopAd, Wilix. You can check their reviews also by clicking below given links. Okay, so here we start. So the main question why I choose Adstara for monetization of my website. There are many reasons for it. The main reason is they are advanced ad platform. So you will get advanced monetization options. Never matters which kind of blogger, website owner, publisher you are, they accept all types of bloggers. They have ads for all niches blogs and all publishers and all traffic in the world. Okay, so there are chances of getting 100% fill rates. Your every impression will get paid, so that is the advantage of Propeller Ads. Okay, so here listed who can make money with Propeller Ads. So website owners, SEO masters, bloggers and network brokers, social media marketers, domainers, and who make plugin extension, they all can make money with propellers. There are no any restrictions. So here we start. Propeller Ads pros for publishers. There are many advantages Propeller Ads gives to publishers. The main thing is clean ads only. This is the main function. Please check with every ad network that they serve clean ads, because your visitor will not come to your website again if they get some viruses, malware. Okay, so Propeller Ads provide clean ads only. They check their advertising codes manually daily, so no virus or malware can become to your website. The second thing is global coverage. They they serve traffic to all over country. They cover all kinds of traffic from any part of world, so you will get paid good amount due to 100% fill rates. The second point is Third point is AdSense compatible. Their ads are compatible with AdSense, but keep in mind that don't put more than 3 pop-under codes on same page. Google policy doesn't allow it. Okay. Also, they have anti-ad block codes which will bypass ad blockers and increase your revenue by 20%. So they also have a referral program by which you can earn some extra money. You can also be a part of a publisher community where webmasters meets and learn how to increase revenue by advanced monetization. Okay, here are I listed ad formats and their benefits. We discussed about pros of propellers, but we forget about cons. There are no such a cons about propellers. The only problem is that they pays monthly basis, so you have to wait for a month to get paid. You can You also has a weekly payment option, but this option are available to only the bloggers who has more than 10,000 plus unique page visitors. So it is difficult to have meet these requirements to small bloggers. So you have to wait for a month. The one more cons they have is one more disadvantage is that if your website is not ranked within a 5 lakhs Alexa ranking, then you are not able to monetize your traffic with native push notification and in-page banner ads. But still you can monetize your website with pop under ads, pop under ads on click pop under ads and direct links. There are no such requirements for these ad types. Okay. The next thing we will discuss is approval requirements. I already tell native banners, in-page push banners, and interstitial ads require your website to be in top 5 lakhs Alexa ranks list. So on my web page, on my post, you can check your Alexa ranking whether you qualify for these three ad formats or not. But don't worry, you can still get monetized with popular ads if you have very low Alexa rank also, because there are no any such requirements for on-click pop-under ads, direct links, and push notifications. So now we will learn how to make money with ad network, propeller ads. Okay, simple steps are there. Every ad network has this simple step. There is nothing different to propeller ads. Just register, then submit your website, put an ad card on your website, and start making money. Okay, so here I am telling you how to set up propeller ads mainly for bloggers. Okay, step 1, join propeller ads, then you will get a verification mail from them. Click on verify mail. Okay, after login you will go to your dashboard, then go to sites option and add site. Okay, after adding site, go to after adding site you will get option to put given code into your website to verify. So verification is must step. Without verification you can't monetize your blog with propeller ads. So copy given code. After copying, go to your blogger theme and edit HTML. On edit HTML page, press Ctrl F and find closing head tag as shown in above image. Okay, I will show you. This is closing head tag. Once you find it, before closing head tag, put code we copied. That is verification code. Sometimes it will show, blogger will show error while saving theme, because it will show like there is error, there is no closing meta tag found. So add backslash before greater than symbol, then click on save theme. That's all done. Okay. Okay. After that, on proper ads page, click on verify site. Done. You have verified successfully. Then click on ad zone. Select which ad format you wanna use. If your website is not in Alexa 5 lakh ranking, then you can use the pop under ads, push notification, direct links. After selecting your ad code, select whether you want anti-ad block code or regular code. Okay, with anti-ad block, you can improve your revenue by 20%. Now, next step is adding ad code. Copy given ad code, go to your blogger, layout, then click on add gadget, HTML, JavaScript, Then in content section, paste copied code from Propeller Ads. Okay. Now, after that, click on save. Once you saved, all work by you is done. Now enjoy your earnings. You can check your earnings in statistics section. Okay, the next thing is Propeller Ads CPM rates. Propeller Ads is very famous in CPM rates. They pay very good CPM rates. For tier 1 countries like US, UK, they pay $4 to sometimes they go up to $8, and sometimes higher than $8 when there is a sale or action taken by a visitor. For tier 2 countries, they can expect between $2 to $4, and all other countries like tier 3 countries can get $0.2 to $2 CPM. Propeller Ads has good inventory and good CPM rates for US, UK, India, Indonesia, Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia, and other countries. Okay. Now about their payment details. Their minimum payment for PayPal is $5. Also for Skrill it is $5. For Pioneer it is $20. Pioneer is not available in India, so you can use PayPal. For wire transfer they have very high minimum payment, and it is $550. There are no fees for wire from Propeller Ads, but your bank may incur some fees to you. Okay. Now payment frequency. They pay monthly basis, means net 30 to publishers. Just like with ad format uses here, also Propeller Ad Mates has some restrictions. You are eligible for weekly payments only if your website have 10,000 plus unique users daily. So small bloggers and publisher are not eligible for the weekly payments. That is bad thing from Propeller Ads. They should allow all the bloggers and publishers to withdraw their earnings weekly. That will be good because no one like to wait for a payments. So payment methods, they pays by PayPal, Pioneer, Wire, and Skrill. Okay, here I attached a payment for Propeller Ads. Also, it is old payment proof. Also, I withdrawn some money. After 1 month, I will get it in my account. Once I get it, I will add one more another payment proof. Wait for it. Here is one more thing. There is one more way to make money using Propeller Ads. You can earn some extra income by using their referral program. They pay 5% of publisher earnings to you if you refer your friends and readers to Propeller Ads. So here we have completed our review. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like this video. In comment section you can ask some questions.